The petting zoo. Let's pet some animals.
You can't grab the whole thing.
Oh, guys, there's deer here.
Aww.
Mia, you see the deers? Are they cute?
Hi,
You don't like the deer?
Hi, beautiful.
Pet it.
Hi.
Say hi, deer.
Hi, dear.
Aw, you giving deer kisses?
Look at him. Aww. You want to go inside?
Alrighty, guys, we are all done. Time to cruise back. I'm by myself this time, so I could get a little wild. Yeah, kids had fun. Went and petted the animals, and then went on a little train ride. It was cool. And as you guys can hear, my brother's back too. Hopefully his audio is working this time. We recorded a fire video and then realized that the audio wasn't working, so yeah, gonna have to work some movie magic. I know, it was so good. Probably still try and use it, just have to, I don't know, do something creative. It's a little brisk now, man. Oh, sweet. One gone. Two gone, but now we got more. Another one bites the dust. Bump here somewhere that like almost threw me off the bike last time. thing gets sketchy at high speeds. Especially hitting bumps like full throttle. This thing's like, ow, big old freaking bug right in my shoulder. That shit hurt. Alrighty, everybody. Well, you've seen all this other crap before, so we're not going to bore you with it. But we hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun. Just nice little family day. Go ahead and smash that like button for us. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.